Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tarot with Jonah. I'm so happy to have you here today. I can already feel the energy surrounding this, and let me just say, I'm so proud of you for taking the step you did. Yes, if nobody has told you this yet, I'm proud of you. Seriously, I know how tough it could have been to walk away without saying anything, but sometimes that's the most powerful move you can make. You don't owe anyone an explanation, and I feel like that's exactly what the cards are going to confirm for you today. So let's get into it and see what's stored in for you. We have the Eight of Swords, the High Priestess, the Devil, and the Ace of Swords. Starting off with the Ace of Swords, I can see that you were stuck in the past. I can feel how hard it must have been to deal with that situation, like you were trapped in your own mind, overwhelmed by the constant pressure and negativity that brought into your life. That the person brought, okay, in your life, the narcissist. But here's the thing, you took the control. You did not need to explain your actions to anyone because you knew deep down that cutting them off was the only way to free yourself. And I'm proud of you for doing that. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to walk away without saying a word. You freed yourself, and that was your strongest move. I loved it. Now we have the High Priestess. You trusted your intuition. You had the gut feeling that something is not right, right? You knew what was best for you and you did not need outside approval or validation. You acted quietly, but you acted with such a strength and clarity. I know it was not easy, my dear, but you listened to that inner voice guiding you, and it's been guiding you towards peace. Cutting them off was not just about removing them from your life, it was about honoring yourself and your boundaries. You chose yourself, and I'm so proud for that. Next, we have the devil, and we all know that the devil card talks about the toxicity, the manipulation, the control, right? And I can see that this person tried to place on you the control, the manipulation, the toxicity, but you saw right through it. You recognized their games, and that's why you had to let go because you were not willing to let them keep playing with your mind. You really had sleepless nights, you cried a lot, you felt alone. The energy is really heavy that I'm sensing. Breaking free from a narcissist is never easy, but you did it. You did not need to shout from the rooftops, you did not need to make a dramatic scene. You just cut them off, and you did it with a strength. That's true power, and I'm honestly happy. Okay. And next card we have the Ace of Swords. Now this is a beautiful card, okay? Especially in this reading. And I'm sensing that once you made that decision, everything became so much clearer. Okay, you took your truth back and you did not allow their lies, manipulation, or gaslighting to cloud your judgment anymore. You cut through all of it with clarity. You are starting fresh with a clear mind and you are moving forward in a way that feels so much lighter. And I want you to know how proud I am of you for doing that. It was not easy, but it was the best choice for you. And what's coming next for you is peace. You will find that the more distance you put between yourself and this person, the more space you will create for healing. You are going to start feeling lighter and more aligned with your true self. This was the first step towards rebuilding your energy and moving forward. Trust that by taking this powerful action, you're opening the door to new opportunities, new connections, and a life that feels so much more you. I'm really super proud of you because Your strongest move was cutting them off silently and completely. You took your power back, and I can't express enough how proud I am of you for that. I know it was not easy, but it was necessary for you, okay? You are also a beautiful soul. You also deserve joy, happiness, definitely the true love. You chose to put yourself first, and that is such a brave and beautiful thing to do. Keep trusting your inner strength because you have just proven to yourself how strong you truly are. If this reading resonated with you, leave me a comment and let me know how you're feeling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And remember, you are strong and you are worthy. Bye for now.